What's up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video. Whitestone Dome was kind enough to send me out their 5-pack iPhone 15 Pro Max Dome Glass Ease screen protector. So I'm just going to install this on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. And the reason why it's open is because I have used these before. So here we go. You get your dust removable sticker. You get your wet wipe. You get your screen protector, and you get your screen protector guide to help you put it on a lot easy. So now what you want to do is get your wet wipe. You want to give your phone a good nice wipe down. You know, get all that dirt, grime, and gunk off of it. If it's not a brand new device, you want to give it a good wipe down. You know, so it can look nice and clean. Next important step you want to do is get your dust removable stickers, and you want to just get up all the dust that you can currently see, because if you don't, you're going to have a nasty looking device, and that bothers me when my devices have dust and lint under them when I put on a screen protector. So you want to do this as many times as you want until you see no debris, but you kind of want to move fast, because if you're in a room where it's dust in the air, more dust could be dropping, and this is the dust removable sticker, so more dust could be dropping on your phone as we speak. So this is the guide here. You want to place your phone inside, and you want to give it another round of dust, with the dust removable sticker, just in case. So now you want to get your screen protector here. This is what it looks like. You don't want to touch the back of it at all. And then you just want to hurry up and drop it on your phone. That way you can ensure that no dust has gotten in your device. You want to lift up the guide, and you want to let the adhesive do what it is going to do. Then you want to give it a wipe down if you see bubbles. And if some of your bubbles do not go out, do not worry. Just leave it. They'll go out in a couple of days or in a week or so. I do not have that many bubbles in my install, which is really good. But this does look good overall, and I do not have to worry about my iPhone 15 Pro Max dropping, because it is good and protected. So if it does drop, it shouldn't shatter the screen, because I have a screen protector on there. And if it does shatter the screen, it's not the actual screen, it's the screen protector. So pretty much this is what it should look like if you done it right. I have it on there perfectly. I have no dust, not a lot of bubbles. I do have one bubble here, but that's to be expected. I can work that out a little later here. And now for the last step, I want to get my wet wipe and just give it another wipe down. Just to give it another wipe down, just because. No real reason why, but just because. But overall, this does look nice, and it feels nice on the device. And I will drop a link to where you can pick up these screen protectors for yourself. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.